Hello students, and welcome back to the English reading classes. I hope you have learned how to blend two sounds, and in today's video we will learn how to blend three sounds. So let's begin. Now in three sound blending 2, first we say individual sounds, then we say all the sounds without any delay, and at last we say all the sounds little faster. Okay, so let's do it. Now to read the first word, first we say its individual sounds, then we will say them without any delay. Okay, and then we'll say all the sounds little faster. Now put your finger on the first letter and say it. S. Now put your finger on the next letter and say it. E. And now put your finger on the last letter and say it. T. Now let's say all the sounds without any delay. S, e, t. Now say them little faster. Set, set, set. Okay, now let's read the next word. Again, first we'll say individual sounds, then we'll say them without any delay, and then little faster. Now put your finger on the first letter and say it. K. Now say the next letter. O. And last, the last one. T. Now let's say them without any delay. K, O, T. Little faster. Cot, cot. So students, this is how you need to blend three sounds. Thank you.